guys, today we will discuss about 8086 microprocessor. So it is an enhanced version of 8085 microprocessor, and it has designed by Intel in 1976, and it has a 16-bit microprocessor and 20 address lines and 16-bit data lines that provides up to the 1 megabyte memory storage, and it consists of a powerful instruction set. It provides operations like multiplication and divisions are very easy by using this processor, and it supports the two modes of operation. One is maximum mode, and second one is min mode, that is minimum mode. So the maximum mode is suitable for system having the multiple process, and minimum mode is suitable for the system having a single processor. And next, coming to the features of the 8086, it has an instruction queue which is capable of storing six instruction bytes from the memory, resulting in faster processing. Okay, and next one is a 16-bit processor, that is it having the 16-bit ALU, 16-bit registers, internal data buses, and 16-bit external data buses. So the result is very faster than 8085. And coming to the availability versions, it having the 3 available versions depending upon the frequency of the operations. 8086 having 5 megahertz, 8086 2 is 8 megahertz, and 8086 1 is 10 megahertz. So it has 2 stages of pipelining. One is fetching and the second one is executing. So in case of fetch stage, it can fetches up to 6 bytes of instructions, and stores them in a queue, Execution stage, these instructions can executed in the where the fetching instructions is there, that instructions will be executed in the executing stage, and it having up to 256 vector interrupts and 29,000 transistors, having the 29,000 transistors. And next one, comparisons between the 8085 and 8086 microprocessor. So size, first one is size. 8085 is 8-bit and 8086 is a 16-bit. Okay, and next address bus. So address bus 8085, already we discussed about 8085. So 8085 having the 16-bit address buses and 8086 having 20-bit address buses. And memory, the size of the memory in 8085 is up to 64, right, 64 kilobytes, and 8086 having 1 megabyte. Okay, and instructions, next one is instruction set. So that instructions, it having 8085 does not have an instruction queue. There is no instruction queue in 8085, and 8086 having the instruction queue. And next, coming to the pipelining. So pipelining having 8085 does not having the pipelining architecture, and 8086 supports the pipelining architecture. Pipelining is nothing but execution and fetching and execution units are parallelly processing. There is no pipelining concept in 8085. And next, coming to the IO devices, 8085 addresses up to 2.8, that is 256 IO input outputs. And next, coming to the 8086 addresses 2 power 16, that is 6536 IO lines. Okay, and coming to the cost, the cost of the 8085 is low, whereas that of the 8086 is high, because of the features in 8085 is less than the 8086. That's why the cost also reduced in case of when we comparing with the 8086 to 8085. So this one is the comparisons and the features of 8086 microprocessor. And now we will discuss about